Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the water deflector on your dishwasher. It's a really easy job and no tools required. Let me show you how we do it. Now to change the deflector, we simply need to open the door and remove the lower rack and set that aside. Now those deflectors are just a friction fit on the tub, so just grasp it, pull straight up on it, and it will slide out. You'll notice that there is a T-shaped slot on the new deflector and as well a projection on the tub that lines up with it. And then just press it into place, make sure it sits firmly at the bottom. We'll reinstall the rack. And your repair is complete. Told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching and good luck with your repair.